Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hakawai pat ke kubor, hadin ba ke United Democratic Party, kalarai Ïatrei lang bat ke National People's Party, bantau ya ke sarkar sanrap lang hakani ke jela. Nakal yang menteri rang ba ke jela, jongani ke samai balala, Dr. Mukul Sangma, henne ke sngi ke santarik ulber, ulawan syakmat bat penpau, ya ke ke balai keren bat kinoi lam jong ke seng UDP, Shuwa ke election. Dr. Mukul Sangma habakran hakinong patai kubor henne ke sngi, ulapan pau syai, ba Naduh Shuwa ke election, syam ladan syu ke jingkerman, ba ke seng kongres kan nak bantau sarkar marwai. Kani kala pau henne ke sngi, hadin ba ula pla, ba Naduh Shuwa ke election, ula dap ya keren lupa bat presiden, jo ke United Democratic Party, ba Ïatrei lang hakani ke election. Handai nakal yang doktor dan kupar roy, ru, ulong ba kadang kloy pelat banyak keren, ya kani ke benta. Dr. Mukul Sangma ulong ru, hadin ke sngi nyobot, nakal yang jung ulalaj banyak kendo markmat yu doktor dan kupar roy. Handai nakal yang uniu presiden jung UDP, ulong pat, ba kapor keladir pelat banyak keren, nak benta berkersya ni kongres bantau sarkar. Sakawai pat ke benta ke bau Dr. Mukul Sangma ula keren hakani ke jingi kendo bat kinong patai kubor. Ula keren sepang ke tulap jo kinoi kai SSA ke bala pensateng ban siu yaki. Halor kani ke benta nakal yang Dr. Mukul Sangma, ulong ba ke jing jong sarkar jela menta kadai namar ba ke sarkar jela. Kahap ban buria napla haduk sanpau na ke sispa na ke jing siu yaki no hikai. Kumba ka julang hakipor menshwa hakaba ka sarkar jela kahap ban senyang tang sipau na ke sispa ne kata ke 10%.
These discussions should have taken place earlier, before the elections. That's what he said.
What do you say?
So, but I reminded him that when I wanted to have a discussion with you on this, you said that it will not be appropriate now to discuss. We will discuss after the result. So I also reminded him that you told me that you will discuss after the election results are out. And then we will wait for their response. Okay, we'll wait for their response. We are not in a hurry to cobble up our numbers. So we know, what is going to happen. So we'll wait. What is happening inside, I think that is reflected in what is being carried by all of you. No, I am not giving credit for the mandate that we have received, but the post-political mandate. Okay. Post-mandate, what has happened is what I am referring to. Okay. The manipulation to say that, okay, regional parties coming together, it's not regional parties coming together. It's a BJP bringing them together to piggy ride on them and fire from their shoulder. I have suggested two options. Okay. That either in order to ensure stability, because this state has suffered. Our people have suffered because of lack of stability. That is something which we all know. Therefore, we don't want this state to be subjected to similar kind of situation which we have seen in the past. Going by the experiences of the past, what we can anticipate is that this kind of arrangement ultimately do not or will not be capable of providing the kind of stability. But on the contrary, I think they were doubting the stability that would have been provided when they tie up with the Congress. That was the concern that President of UDP expressed before. You see, whoever takes the charge of this chief executive of the state, your political chief executive of the state, obviously the responsibility that will be vested upon him is tremendous, will require lots of support from everyone who is in the team, which includes not just political colleagues but everybody in the team, the whole establishment. And the most important thing is that having set a new benchmark of growth and development in the state, I will definitely expect them to carry it forward from where it is now. Take it forward in a manner that the momentum do not get dislocated. And one thing that I must share with you, I'm tempted to share with you, is that this quite a substantial innings of around 8 years of service, the privilege to be occupying this whole position of responsibility. At least one good thing that has happened, which gives me a certain amount of feel-good factor, is that we have been able to restore peace and hope, so which was eluding us, and therefore you have a completely very, I must say, an enabling environment, an environment which can be really exploited to really take forward the state. So I will wish the new team my best wishes.